Alright, so to create an automation with your Magic Band, you're going to go find your Shortcuts app on your iPhone, and then you're going to go to the center button that says Automation. You're going to hit the top right corner, hit plus, and you're going to hit Create Personal Automation. And then you're going to scroll down to see NFC. Tap NFC. You're going to get to this screen. You want to click where it says Nfc Tag Scan. And you're going to hold up your the Magic Band to the back of your phone till it scans. And then it's going to ask for a name. I'm just going to put test, hit OK. And then you're going to hit next on the top right. And then you could hit, say you wanted to open the My Disney Experience. You can click on Open App. And then you're going to click on the blue app, the blue word that's kind of grayed out that says App. That's going to list all your apps that you have on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and go down to, it's actually My Disney Experience, isn't it? So it should be under M. Which is not showing up. So we're going to go ahead and type in search and type in Disney. I guess it's just called Disney World. Okay, and then go ahead and tap next on the top right. Ask before running. Make sure you turn that off. Otherwise, it's going to ask you every time. Leave off notify when run. You don't need either of those on. And hit done. Then you could just go ahead and exit the app. I'm going to tap my card. And you see it opened the My Disney app. Thank you for watching.